What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can probably already see by the title, we're going to be installing SAKHIR orange door cards on my F80 M3 today. I'm super excited, as you guys can probably tell. This is going to complete the interior finally. As you guys know or don't know, my last video was actually installing the extended leather dash. So the only thing missing for the full conversion after I did the seats, the dash, was of course the door cards, which we're going to be tackling in today's video. So make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, hit the bell, and subscribe for future content. And also follow me on Instagram. Now let's get into this video. Alright, so UPS actually just came and dropped off the door cards. I actually ordered this on Sunday, so I mean shipping only took 3 days. Today's Wednesday. So I'm super excited about this. I've been looking for door cards for like over a month. I mentioned it in the last video, and the reason why I'm so excited is because we just did the full conversion in the last video to the full extended leather SAKHIR orange dash, and all that is left to complete the conversion are to replace these door cards right here. I'll go ahead and open these up for you guys in just a second, but essentially there's going to be a SAKHIR stripe right here and I think down there, so it's just going to tie everything together and the interior is finally going to be complete. My black door cards blended in really well, but over time I really wanted to have everything one color and, you know, uniform and matching, so I'm super excited to finally have these door cards in. But shout out to the vendor on eBay, which I found. All of these look like they're in mint condition, so let's go ahead and unbox it, make sure they're all good to go. Holy fuck, popcorn in this magnitude should be illegal. I was making such a mess on the garage floor just trying to get these out, but here we go. We have all 4 door cards ready to go. I'm gonna take off this plastic wrap right here and show you guys what we got. Just wanted to pause this video real quick to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So Simply Carbon Fiber sent me out something epic, and I can't wait to show you guys in 3, 2, 1. You guys see it right there. That is my new forged carbon slim wallet from Simply Carbon Fiber, of course. And just take a look at this thing. It is beautiful. The whole wallet is made out of forged carbon fiber, and as you guys can see right there, it can hold my money on the back, and then it can also hold up to 4 to 6 of my, you know, ID, debit card, credit cards. But right there you guys can see how beautiful this wallet actually is. And the best part is it actually matches my 2 watches from them, which have a forged carbon face. You know, they make beautiful products catered towards car enthusiasts like you and me. Make sure you guys check out their website and use my code FH10. It would really mean a lot to me, and you'll get 10% off your order. So huge thanks to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. Alright, here we are. Full SAKHIR orange door cards, OEM, but these are actually in amazing condition for being used and off eBay. You guys can see it there. There really are no imperfections. The fronts are a little more worn obviously than the rears, but it's nothing that we can't clean up ourselves. We'll definitely do that once everything's inside the car, but you guys can see it here. I am so happy. This is literally like the missing piece to the puzzle. For some people, having black door cards really wouldn't bother them, but for me, you know, being me, I really wanted everything to be uniform and be the same color. I know people probably watching are probably the same way, so yeah. We got my friendly helper right here, Aston. You gonna install some door cards today? Yes sir. So I'm going to show you guys how to do one door card. The process is the exact same for all 4. The only tools you really need for this job are some plastic trim removers. I have 2, I don't know where the other one is, so I'm using this little squeegee thing right here. So the first thing that you want to do is use your plastic pry tool, and you want to get in between the grooves. I actually started from the bottom. There's a little insert, and then you just want to keep popping out 1 clip at a time. I just moved up the ladder right here, slowly popping them out, and then as you guys can see, I made some progress. I went from the top side right here, as you guys can see, and started popping out the clips. It's super easy once you get the first clip off, and then you just want to work your way down. And then the next thing that you want to do is the same process. You want to take out your controller from the window. I also forgot to mention that you want to unplug your battery. I'm not sure if you have to or not, but I went ahead and did so because of the window controller right here, and we're going to be unplugging some plugs inside each door panel, so I went ahead and removed the battery. The next thing that you want to do after you get the handle off is you want to get your plastic pry tool from behind, and I also use this little short corner right here, and I pried up on the window controller right here on the module, and this pops up. There is one connection underneath, so you want to go ahead and unplug that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the handle off completely, get this off as well, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. For this little clip right here, you're gonna need a little pick tool, and then you just want to push the pin right there and then pull out the connection. We got helper number 2 stopping by. Alright, so I basically got this door handle off. Just came off super easily once you get all these tabs right here. It's just a bunch of BMW tabs, typical BMW tabs. Once you get one off, you'll get the others. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And then you want to make a mental note where the cord is actually coming out of. So in this case, it's coming out of the hole in the front, because we're going to be fishing this wire through this hole when we put on the new door card. The last thing that's holding in the door is actually like 2 T25s or T20s right here in the door handle. So you want to go ahead and remove those, and then you should be able to pop out the whole door card. And I'll actually show you guys on one of my new ones. Basically the whole door is held in by these little plastic prongs all around. You guys can see there. So yeah, another, you know, typical BMW thing to use a bunch of plastic prongs. So all you have to do really is get one corner out, and then once you get one of them out, you can like pull and leverage one side at a time. And then once the door card is off, I'll show you guys, but we have a connection right here. This is the door latch pulley, which we're gonna have to disconnect. And then there's one more connection for your light right down here that we'll have to unplug. But let's go ahead and knock that out. I actually started on the inner corner right there. There's a little opening right here by the speaker, and then just pull pretty firmly, and then this should start coming out. You have a couple stubborn clips right here on the top edge, so that's what we're trying to get off. Now has a bunch of play and leverage. And then all you want to do really is grab it from the sides right here, and then just kind of lift up. Should be able to just pry it off like so. So now that the door card is hanging, there's one connection right here for the door handle. You just want to pry up this little cable right here and then pull out. That should come off super easily. And then over here you have another connection for the speaker, and then right here you can pull this one out of the hole that we disconnected earlier for the window. And then you have one more right there at the bottom. All right, once you get that last cable out, the whole door should come off pretty easily with your little handy dandy pick tool. Everything's possible. The only thing that I'm gonna do is transfer over the clips that are up top right here, because we're gonna wanna put that back on the door so our new door card snaps into place. And those clips are right there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We just wanna transfer them over back to the door. So what do you think? So actually in my case, this whole rubber weather stripping actually came off with the door card itself. So I just took it off and snapped it into place. So now all we have to do is assemble in reverse order, and then we should be good to go. And before you guys reinstall, you just want to take off the door card, of course, on the new one that you're putting in, and then also the window module right here. So you'll be able to connect it to the plug when we feed the wire through. All right, once you guys are ready to install the new door card, you want to make sure that this right here that unlocks and locks your car is pulled under right there. You want to make sure the locking position is actually in the position how you left it. So my car is actually unlocked. And then you want to make sure your handle is closed like so, and then you just want to slip on this clip right here. It slides on, and it's pretty straightforward. I need 2 hands for that, so I'll catch up with you guys after that. So essentially when you pull on the handle like so, it goes down, which will unlock your door. And then yeah, everything else is just an electrical connection. And so when you're reinstalling, you just want to line up these plastic pins or tabs into each of the holes on the door like so, and then snap it into place. Firm taps all around, make sure that thing isn't good, and to me it looks perfect. Don't forget to plug in your module right here and plug in the 2 T25s, and yeah, that's basically it. Dude, it looks insane compared to the other side, which is just all black. But now we have the secure extended leather dash that we put in on the last video with my boy Ben and Jonathan, and now it comes over to the door cards. That looks insane. I actually forgot to show you guys as well, the leather on the handles also have red to match the extended leather dash, so that just adds to the complete flow of the car. Let's go ahead and button this one up and get on with the rest. She's back. All right, Kona, what do you think? Let's fucking go. Let me know what you guys think. Again, everything is about to match. It's gonna be a complete game changer inside the cabin. But since I showed you guys one door, kind of, I'm not gonna bore you with the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other 3 door cards off camera, and then we'll catch up with you guys and show you guys the final reveal.
A few moments later.
Just wanted to give you guys one more update. We have 1, 2, and 3 door cards in. We're working on the last rear one now on the driver's side. I just wanted to let you guys know that for the rear, you have one more connection right here to unplug, so be sure not to pull off the whole door card, because then you'll probably rip off this little cable right here, but this goes to the little tweeter or subwoofer right there in the back. But everything on the rear is pretty much like the front. Now we're gonna go put this one in. Can't freaking wait. But already, everything is coming together and it looks so freaking nice. Hell yeah. And just like that, that's a wrap. It's probably easier if you have like 2 people, so someone can hold the door card while the other person is like plugging it in. But overall, once you do one, the rest is kind of like clockwork. You just have to make sure that you plug in everything and remember where everything goes. But I am so freaking happy. Definitely gonna clean it up a little bit, but you guys see it. In 1 week, we have the extended leather dash brought to you by my boy Ben. And then it rolls into full secure door cards. That is amazing. I'm in love. For real. This is the exact spec that I wanted when I got my F80. I did want the competition seats, which I will probably get down the road again. But for now, these red seats are beautiful. But yeah, this is the spec that I wanted. I wanted a black F80 and I wanted red guts. So 2 years later, your boy finally has his dream spec and I couldn't be more thrilled. The garage is a BMW graveyard right now, straight parts department. We got the dash, the door cards, the love box. I'm actually giving the dash to my boy Yas, another M4. He has black interior as well, but he does not have heads-up display, so we're gonna give that to Caleb. I'm doing that because he's actually let me use the gimbal that you guys see for B-roll for my vlogs for a couple months now, so I think it's only fair that I give him the dash in return. Bruh. Dude, I cannot believe this is my F80. Like, come on. SAKHIR orange, red guts. I think this is the best spec ever. Literally, we have a murdered out F80 on HREs with the red guts. It doesn't get better than that. Oh wait, it does. We got that extended leather dash. God damn. It looks so freaking good. I'm definitely gonna get you guys some B-roll this time of the interior. The garage lighting definitely doesn't do it justice, and now everything is uniform, everything ties together, and I'm actually happy that I was able to do it myself. So now I know for next time if I ever need to take a door card off or help anybody else, this is money. This is crazy. Let me know what you guys think. SAKHIR, SAKHIR, SAKHIR. Let's go. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for all the support and love lately on YouTube and on Instagram. We actually just hit 6K subscribers on YouTube and 40,000 followers on Instagram. That's just mind-blowing to me. I'm gonna keep pumping out content on both platforms though and building this channel up, of course. So I appreciate all the love and support. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The interior is now complete. I'm totally at peace now because everything matches, so I'm super happy about that. Now I can focus on other things or other projects, of course. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But as always, make sure you guys drop a like, hit the bell, subscribe for future content, follow me on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Peace.